while having fun.
It's a pleasure to see everyone again for a very much awaited, much needed team building. Success was not just about hard work. It's also about walking, working together. And that's exactly what today is all about: strengthening our connections, building trust, and having a great time while doing it.
If we just put our hands together and work together, sustainability and change can start with you and me.
It's a small town jukebox, rock and roll.
So, let's make the most of today. Engage, participate, and most importantly, I'm looking forward to seeing each of you cooperate, support each other, and having fun.
Hotter than the summer. Hotter than the summer. I'm feeling the heat. We got everybody burning at 100 degrees. Hotter than the summer. You know what I mean.
Collaborate, communicate, and support one another in ways that go beyond our daily routines. It's an opportunity to step back, refresh our energy,
And your chin hit the ground. Get you all fired up. Keep working it out. Hotter than the summer. Hotter than the summer. I'm feeling the heat. We got everybody burning at 100 degrees. Hotter than the summer. You know what I mean. Hotter than the summer and I'm feeling the heat. Hotter than the summer and you know what I mean. Hotter than the summer and I'm feeling the heat. Hotter than the summer. Hotter than the summer. Hotter than the summer. Hotter than the summer. I'm feeling the heat. We got everybody burning at 100 degrees. Hotter than the summer. You know what I mean. Hotter than the summer and I'm feeling the heat. Hotter than the summer and I'm feeling the heat. We got hotter than the summer and I'm feeling the heat. Hotter than the summer. You know what I mean.
Hi guys, we're here at Millennials Resort in Calatagan, Batangas. So we just actually finished all the team building activities na prepare namin for all GSC and GateCon employees. So yeah, nakakapagod but I hope nag-enjoy lahat and I'm looking forward to see you all guys later at our socialization time. So see ya!
for Mr. and Miss Tropicool 2025.